In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a rich text block in Webflow. Rich text blocks are incredibly versatile elements that can revolutionize the way you present content on your website. They allow you to create beautiful, formatted text with styling options like bold and italics. Plus, they offer you the flexibility to include media such as images and videos, and even embed HTML or JavaScript code, which can truly elevate your site's interactivity and functionality. Let's dive into the process of adding a rich text block to your Webflow project. The first thing you'll want to do is access the Add Elements tab. You can do this quickly by pressing the A key on your keyboard. This will open up a panel on the left side of your screen, showcasing a variety of components and elements you can add to your web page. Once the Add Elements tab is open, you'll want to look for the Typography section. This section is dedicated to text-related elements, which is exactly what we need for our rich text block. Scroll through until you find the Rich Text Block option. It should be quite easy to spot, clearly labeled and distinguished by its versatility. Now that you've found the rich text block, the next step is to add it to your site. To do this, simply click on the rich text block and hold your mouse button down. Then drag it to the desired location on your page where you'd like this block to appear. You'll see an outline showing you where the block will be positioned when you release your mouse, so feel free to move it around until you're satisfied with the placement. And there you go, you've successfully added a rich text block. Once it's on your page, you'll notice that it comes pre-filled with various example text elements. These examples include quote blocks, lists, and text links, among others, effectively showcasing the variety of content types you can incorporate within your rich text block. This functionality makes it simple to organize and display text in a more compelling and dynamic way. With these easy steps, you can enhance your Webflow site by making it more intriguing and visually appealing. Rich text blocks are not just about inserting text. They're about transforming your site into an interactive and immersive experience for your visitors. Feel free to experiment with the different formatting options and embedding capabilities to see what works best for your needs. Whether you're adding simple text content or integrating multimedia elements, rich text blocks can help you achieve a polished and professional look. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Go ahead and try it out for yourself and see how rich text blocks can enrich your website design.